Wonderchef Nutri-blend, a stylish and powerful mixer grinder for modern kitchens. Looking for a versatile and attractive mixer grinder to elevate your cooking experience? Look no further than the Wonderchef Nutri-blend. This feature-rich appliance boasts a 3.9-star rating on Amazon and is a popular choice for home cooks in India. Here is what makes the Wonderchef Nutri-blend stand out. Powerful performance. Don't let the sleek design fool you. This machine packs a punch. The 400-watt, 22,000 RPM motor tackles tough ingredients like spices and masalas with ease, making it twice as fast as some standard mixer grinders. Unbreakable jars, made from high-quality polycarbonate, these transparent jars are built to last. Plus, you can monitor your blending progress without opening the lid, saving time and mess. Sharp stainless steel blades. These surgical-grade blades ensure efficient grinding and extraction of nutrients from your ingredients. Easy operation. This user-friendly appliance features a simple push and twist operation for effortless use. Versatile functionality. The Nutri-blend comes with 2 jars, a tall jar for blending and a short jar for grinding. This system allows you to start off simple and add on attachments like a chopper, juicer, or food processor later, catering to your evolving kitchen needs. Bonus recipe book. Get inspired with a recipe book by renowned chef Sanjeev Kapoor, featuring over 100 healthy and unique recipes to explore with your new appliance. Customer reviews. A look at both sides. Customers appreciate the Wonderchef Nutri-blend's affordability, stylish design, and ease of use. Many find it a great value for the price and love the variety of colors available. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe jars. However, a small number of users have reported issues with leakage. Is the Wonderchef Nutri-blend right for you? This mixer grinder is ideal for those who prioritize a stylish and user-friendly appliance. Enjoy healthy smoothies and dips. Want to grind spices and masalas quickly and efficiently? Appreciate the option to expand the appliance's functionality with additional attachments, sold separately. Conclusion. With a current limited time discount, the Wonderchef Nutri-blend offers a compelling combination of style, power, and affordability. Consider your kitchen needs and whether this feature set aligns with your cooking style. If so, the Wonderchef Nutri-blend might be the perfect way to add some color and convenience to your meal prep.